And here we are again. This is the same problem I've been having since I bought this Microsoft Book 2. I was told by Best Buy it was a top-of-the-line Microsoft computer. It can't even run Microsoft Word without constantly freezing up. So I can move, as you can see, the cursor around, but I can't. I'm tapping, clicking on stuff, and there's no response. The cursor just disappears. Can't highlight anything. There's one little thing highlighted there, which was highlighted a while ago, and I can't do anything else. Oh, I can't even scroll up or down on the pages. Can't go. Let's see if I can like switch tabs. Oh, okay. I can actually switch tabs. That's incredible. That's great. But I got no cursor. The cursor is actually where I'm putting it. Like I put it there, and then oh no, it's not even responding to typing. Sometimes I can type in like random places, but yeah, this has been going on for over a year. I had one of these computers, and Microsoft replaced the computer because they said it was just a problem with that computer. Got another one, same problem. So obviously, it's an endemic problem with the Microsoft Book 2. Has a lot of other problems also. It's the worst computer I have ever used in my life. Sometimes if I switch the screen off and then on again, I'll get, oh, okay, all the typing I just did suddenly appeared after I switched the screen on and off. And I've got the cursor back for a little bit, but it'll go away in a couple minutes again. Wondering how many of you out there have also experienced this with this garbage computer. I can't imagine this is a Microsoft Word problem because I've been using Word all my life and never had this problem on any other computers. Let me know. Thank you.